Observe that the IC is without friction. Apply low-temperature soldering lead and dress gently. Ensure leftover leads are cleaned off. Carefully place the IC on the stencil. Move slightly to match holes, then carefully bind with a thermal tape. Use a soft fabric to dry the low-temperature soldering lead before application. Apply low heat and maintain 45-degree angle. Remove excess lead and apply flux this time, and repeat the process one more time. Here is the final result. Please share this video. We need your support. Thank you.